Friendly reminder, shoulders back, chin up, main character energy on.
Meet Slouchy, your partner to fix your posture. All of us know when we are working, we start melting into the chair or turn into weird postures. Sometimes we are not even aware about this. So that's when Slouchy will come into play. It will monitor you and scold you when you're not sitting straight. And it's not just going to scold you in one tone, it will keep on becoming harsher with time if you're not sitting correctly. This is something which is going to help
With
all of us.
Slouchy, there's an option for you where you can set your phrases to Hindi. So let's try that out.
Friendly nudge, सीधा बैठो for 10 seconds. बस इतना ही.
I'm open sourcing the code. You can download the DMG directly or you can run it locally. All the instructions are given in the README file. Do give it a try and let me know what you think. And with slouchy, I hope you will stop slouching.